Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make a triangle in InDesign. So let's begin the video. At first, go to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Click and hold on the rectangle tool to reveal more shape options. Select the Polygon tool from the list. Now click on the page to get the Polygon options dialog box to appear. In the dialog box that appears, set the number of sides to 3 to create a triangle. Click OK to confirm. Click and drag on your canvas to draw the triangle. Hold down the Shift key while dragging to maintain equal side lengths and keep it proportional. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.